Carbon can exist in different forms or allotropes, such as diamond and graphite. But why does carbon exist in different forms? This is due to the variation in the bonding arrangements between carbon atoms. In diamond, each carbon atom is covalently bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. This bonding arrangement forms a rigid three-dimensional lattice structure. Every carbon atom is surrounded by a tetrahedral arrangement of its bonded neighbors. The covalent bonds in diamond are very strong, making diamond the hardest known naturally occurring substance. In graphite, each carbon atom is covalently bonded to 3 other carbon atoms within the same plane, and they form a hexagonal lattice. This arrangement creates a flat layered structure. Within each layer, the carbon atoms are held together by strong covalent bonds. The bonding between the layers of graphite is much weaker, consisting of van der Waals forces. This allows the layers to slide over each other easily, and this property gives graphite its characteristics of lubricating and slippery feel. So we can conclude here, while both diamond and graphite are composed of carbon atoms, their differing bonding arrangements give rise to their distinct physical properties. Diamond is known for its hardness, transparency, and exceptional thermal conductivity. But graphite, on the other hand, is characterized by its layered structure, lubricating properties, and electrical conductivity. So both diamond and graphite are made up of carbon only. So their chemical properties are same, but their physical properties are different. Diamonds can be synthesized by subjecting pure carbon to very high pressure and temperature. These synthetic diamonds are smaller than the natural diamonds. One more carbon allotrope is fullerene. First fullerene है C60, which has carbon atoms arranged in a shape of a football. Since this looked like a geodesic dome designed by the US architect Buckminster Fuller, the molecule was named fullerene.